National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for West Central St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, northern Adams County in west central Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorm producing a heavy rain across the warned area. 2 to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpass, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding includes Belleville, O'Fallon, East St. Louis, Collinsville, Fairview Heights, Swansea, Shiloh, Mascoutah, Centreville, Lebanon, Freeburg, Caseyville, Washington Park, Scott Air Force Base, Smithton, Fairmont City, New Athens, Marissa, St. Libory and Lensburg. This includes Interstate 63 in Illinois between exits 19 and 24. Turnaround: don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, St. Charles and St. Louis, and Madison County, Illinois.